Hello and welcome to the Paper Cup Travel. Today we are in Florence, staying at the Il Bargello bed and breakfast in the Giotto room. Everywhere in Venice, or everywhere in Italy, seems to be using keys. So remember to lock the door when you exit. But this room is nice and spacious. Got your two side tables, power on either side. Here's the writing desk. Let's see what's in here. Got a safe and some extra hangers. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Oh, this is a huge bathroom. Let's see what we got in here. It is just the handheld. And obviously a sink, mirror, some amenities. Remember to bring your adapters, hair dryer. And what's special about this room though is it has this terrace. So let's take a look outside. Oh, it is bright. Oop. Open the curtains up there. Let's see if I can figure out how to open this. There we go. Let's take a step outside and see the view from here. That is splendid. Pleasant place to have our morning coffee. Oh. Thank you for watching this quick room tour of Il Bargello's Giotto room. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.